Alright, hello guys. So this is just a playlist on how to solve the 5x5x5 Rubik's Cube. So far we have the white center, the yellow center, the blue center, and the orange center. So now what's left to solve is the green and the red center. The red center is over here. So having our white and yellow faces on the sides, we're gonna go ahead and solve for the red and yellow, for the red and green center. We're just gonna solve for the green center, and the red center will solve itself. So it's a little trickier than a 4x4 because there's, instead of 4 in the center, there's 9 little cubicles in the center. So what we ultimately want to do is we want to bring these green pieces down here. So how do we do that? We go ahead and pull we look for a green piece down here, and we want to line it up right here. So we're gonna go ahead and bring this guy down here. So we're gonna bring it down, and then in doing so we twist, keeping our eyes on this guy. We twist clockwise, then we bring this column down, keeping our eyes down over here. Then we go counterclockwise, and then since we came down from here, we pull this side up. One more time clockwise, and then we pull this side up. So this is a piece that started over here. So now we want to do the same thing with this piece right here. So this piece, we want it down here. So we're going to do the exact same process. So we pull the right side down, then we give it a 90-degree clockwise twist. Left side down, 90-degree counterclockwise. Right side up, 90 degrees clockwise. Left side up. So now notice how these green pieces are coming. They're coming right here. So now we're going to do the same thing. So we're going to go ahead and pull this guy down here. So we want this guy over here. And just so y'all know, y'all can also do more than one at the same time, which is what I'm going to do. Notice how these two pieces fit perfectly right here, but make sure they're an exact fit, because if they're not, it's not going to work. So we're going to pull these two guys down here. So right side down clockwise, and instead of left side down, we're going to pull down the left and the center, because there are two pieces right here that we want to keep our eyes on. So we pull both of them down, and then we give it a counterclockwise twist, left side up, clockwise twist, and then we pull, instead of just one, we pull both of them up. So now we're only left with one. And every time we're doing this, you want to make sure the blue and the orange are intact, because if they're not, then that's how you can easily tell you messed up. So now we're going to line it up one more time. We want this green piece here. So we're going to pull the right side down. We're going to give it a 90-degree twist. Then instead of pulling the left side down, we're going to go ahead and pull the middle down, because we're eyeing this piece. So the middle down, then we give it a counterclockwise twist. Left side up, then we give this a clockwise twist, and then we just pull this bar back into place, middle up, and then now we have the green center, the red center, blue, orange, white, and yellow. So now we've created all our centers. So now we're just going to get to the edge pairing part, which is time consuming, but it's very doable. So just stick with it. Like, subscribe, any comments, any feedback, I would truly appreciate it. All right, thank you guys, appreciate it.